now we're going to just blow dry my hair a little bit. Have you ever blow dried?
Ow!
Does it remind you of all the times that you attempted doing a choti for me in school?
Yeah, so long back.
Hi guys, this is Bosslady Shruti and today I have I have my daddy dearest today with me in this video. So many of you wanted me to film a video with him because you guys saw how dabang and amazing a dancer he is in my Instagram reel, and you have no idea. Like, everybody who has seen that has only said that, dude, nobody's looking at you in that reel, only everybody's looking at your dad.
Great.
So yeah. So he is the celebrity. I am like the sidekick for this video. And today I thought I should do something interesting because as you can see, my dad has a lot of hair on his head. He is going to be my hairstylist for the day. So I am here with towel dried frizzy hair. I get this from you, so you cannot be very happy about this. My dad's side of the family actually has like curly frizzy hair. My mom's side of the family actually has like pretty like nice straightish hair. So actually my grandmom is the one that you can't see a lot over here, but my grandmom, right? Party has really nice curly thick hair, and they always tell me, तूने तो अपने बालों को बिगाड़ लिया है, because I tend to color my hair and chemically treat it and all of that. But fear not, because I have finally found something that actually makes my hair game so much better. This is what has changed my hair forever. This is something that I use every time I come out of the shower.
This is something which I've seen mom using it.
Yes, so I had only given mom this also because mummy ke baare mein to papa ko sab pata hota hai. So yeah, this is something that I only put mom to, and mom was really complaining about frizzy hair in the monsoons and everything especially. So mera jo purana wala bottle tha, I gave it to mom, and as you can see, even this is my second bottle and I am down to almost half of it because I've been using it for so many months now. So hairstylist for today, you can please take a little bit of it in your hands and put it in my hair. So this pump is also very like handy, so you hardly need like a pump and a half for my length of hair. Just run it through my hair. Yes, properly. And ऐसे. Does it remind you of all the times that you attempted doing a choti for me in school?
Yeah, so long back.
I don't think anybody has let you play with their hair like this in their life. I don't think mom has also ever let you do this to her hair.
I don't remember.
Have you ever tied my ponytails in school?
Yeah, I mean, I remember at least once or twice.
Attempting it.
Mom was not there and she had left for the office or something like that, and then I was at home.
Yes. So now my hair is smooth and shiny and protected. So the good thing about this is that आपके ज़माने में नहीं होता था, but अभी हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसे blow dryer, curler वगैरह we use. So this also protects your hair up to 230 degrees Celsius, which we will know, and it will be tested in our next thing that we will do. And the great thing is that now, especially in the monsoons, when I have like super like, क्योंकि इतनी humidity हो जाती है ना, उसकी वजह से like my hair becomes very frizzy. अभी especially in the monsoons very regularly, and because of that, this has like, it has really changed how my hair looks. Like, just I've not even done anything and see how shiny my hair looks right now. Just I mean, we are still to kind of do all the blow drying and all of that, and it still looks pretty good. So now we're going to just blow dry my hair a little bit. Have you ever blow dried? This is not what we use. This is a hair dryer.
Oh, yeah.
Which we use to blow dry hair.
Okay. Mom sometimes it gives.
We sometimes use it for diva also.
Yeah.
Yeah, to blow.
Yeah.
You don't have to.
Oh yeah. Now I.
You don't have to use your. Okay, so what you have to do is, you have to take my hair and you have to do FSC, okay?
Yes.
Papa is so happy with his work. So now my hair is completely dry. So now we will go to, I think, what is going to be the most complicated part for you, which is curling my hair.
Curling. Oh. I can just curl it like this.
Yeah, so we will see how good you can curl my hair. I'm going to show you how it's done in one section and then you can repeat it. The thing is, why I told Amma also to use this is because we now both have like similar type of hair, and this has this rare blend of like 6 oils, which is very non-sticky and non-oily, because especially for mom, she has like very, you know, thin limp hair. I have very like coarse frizzy hair, and this works for both kind of hair, because for mom, she doesn't want anything which is going to weigh down her hair and make it look very chapat. I don't want anything which will weigh down my hair, but at the same time kind of gives me that frizz-free look. So that is why I feel like it works for both of us. And why I told you to use before we are going to use major heat. Like right now, I have put this on 230 degrees Celsius.
Oh, that much heat.
Yes. मतलब major chatka. So if you don't do this properly, ऐसा चटका लगेगा. So now this is my curling wand that I'm going to be using. Okay, Papa, this is very hot. You have to be very careful. So first slide this down. Okay, till the end of the hair. And no, just see now first. And curl it till almost the base of your hair. Don't take it too aage also. Okay, and now push this and release. And
Curl is good.
We have a curl. So the same way over here, push it down. Okay, 4, 3, 2, 1. You can see all the dhua that is coming out of this, so you have to be extremely careful. So take this one section and now curl it. Yeah. Keep your hand here. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Slide it down. Yeah. Now you cannot That's it. Wait. Keep it here. 3, 2, 1. Press this. Yeah. Yay! Not bad. See, you did it. Yes. You can do it.
Ouch!
No, Papa. Be careful. That's it. Wait. When I say that's it, go for it. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Release. Yay! It's magic. You really feel like it's magic. Like the did I just do that? So yeah, this is perfectly curled. Now do you appreciate when we say that we are getting ready and we look like...
Yeah. All the time that we take.
Yes. Why it takes us so much time. Take it. Yes. Down. Take it more down. Yes. Curl it. Yay! 3, 2, 1, release. Woohoo! My dad is a hairstylist or what?
Yes.
We are going to do a couple more pieces till my dad is a pro. I mean, he already is a pro, but still, he's like kind of pro in the making. Yes. Now slide it down, slide it down, slide it down. Yeah. Twist, twist, twist. One more. That's it. Hold. 3, 2, 1, go. Now, 3, 2, 1, go. What a pro, man. Twist. 3, 2, 1, go.
Yes.
Yes! Ooh, 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 what kind of a royal treatment am I getting? I think my dad did such a fab job. Like, look at how good my hair looks. Yeah. Aww, my dad is so cute. I think he's done a fab job, honestly. For now, I think Mohan Iyer is going to be taking bookings to do hair. So if you want to book him for your next hair appointment, comment down below. And I feel like the game changer in my hair care has been this L'Oreal Paris X Oil Serum. It is such a beautiful blend of, you know, rare oils, and it's also got a very beautiful fragrance. You were just telling me, like,
the fragrance is alluring.
my dad was literally like doing like this and going. I think that is great, and like I said, it works for me, which is I have like coarse, frizzy, chemically treated hair. It works on my mom because she has like limp, chemically treated hair, and dad doesn't need it because he is just hero. So definitely give it a try. It is available in 2 sizes. If you don't want to commit to the big size, you can definitely take the smaller size and try it out if it works for you. I definitely use the smaller size bottle whenever I'm traveling because it's, you know, easier and more convenient. I think the best part is that we actually use this, and if you see, this curling wand actually can go up to 230 degrees Celsius, and that is what we use to curl my hair today. And even after that, like just like put your hand through my hair. No, put your hand. I say. Yeah, and see this. Put your hand. Ah. Ah. So my hair just feels so silky smooth, and it's very lightweight. It does not weigh your hair down, which is a major pet peeve of mine whenever I'm using, you know, these kind of hair serums, because I feel a lot of them weigh your hair down, and you don't want that. When you've just kind of had like shampooed hair, you want to just do lehrate hue baal and all of that. So yeah, I think that is it for today. Thank you so much, Papa, for being in my video. I think my dad did a fab job. Like, really, I will be honest, I did not expect my dad to do it this well. When he was with that hair color, I was just like, Bhagwan, please, please, please don't burn him, don't burn me, please, please, please. But he got the hang of it very, very easily. And yeah, what do you have to tell to my audience?
I just love anytime that I'm given the opportunity to be in our channel.
Aw, thank you. I'm very proud of my dad. I hope that I'm able to make my dad also proud one day. And thank you so much. Thank you. I don't want this to be a mushy, emotional kind of a video. But thank you for being on my channel. I know a lot of you guys had requested him to be on my channel. And if any time you guys are wondering, मतलब ये लड़की ना ऐसे कैसी है? Because ये पापा की carbon copy है. And the biggest person that will agree to this is my mom, because she's just like, तू मेरे जैसी पर थोड़ी बनती, तू मेरे जैसी क्यों नहीं बन सकती थोड़ी सी? देखो पापा की कार्बन कॉपी क्यों बनना है? Both of you, मैं बीच में कहाँ जाऊँ? So yeah, thank you so much for being, first of all, being my dad and being so awesome and giving me all the love that you have throughout through these years. And thank you for coming on my channel. Thank you for doing my hair. And what is it that you have to tell them?
like, comment and subscribe to our channel.
And like I always say, keep it bossy!